Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove a Honda Fit rear door panel. This easy method will guide you through each step. First, ensure you have your essential tools ready, including a plastic trim removal tool and a Phillips head screwdriver. Next, find the small screw cover behind the interior door handle and gently pry it off. You will then see one Phillips head screw. Remove it completely. Now let's move on to the window switch. With your plastic trim tool, gently pry up the entire window switch panel from its housing. Once it's loose, you'll find an electrical connector attached. Press the small tab on the connector and carefully pull it to disconnect it. Sometimes, there are one or two more screws hidden beneath this panel. Make sure to remove those as well. With the screws removed, it's time to release the door panel clips. Carefully insert your plastic trim tool into the gap between the door panel and the door frame. Gently pry outwards to pop the plastic retaining clips free. You will hear a distinct popping sound as each clip releases. Work your way around the entire perimeter of the door panel, ensuring all clips are disengaged. Almost there. Once all the clips are released, lift the entire door panel straight upwards. This action will disengage it from the window channel at the top. You might find one or two more electrical connectors or a door lock cable still attached. Carefully disconnect these. With everything free, you can now remove the door panel completely. Place it somewhere safe to avoid any scratches or damage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.